Oops, I did it again. Oh my goodness. True story. There's no oops involved at all. But the celebration that Stampin' Up! Has is phenomenal. And if you signed up to be a demonstrator, you could get $175 of product for $100. Or you could get $175 worth of product. No, about, maybe it was 200 and something in product, because you got $175 of product that you pick plus a bag for $130. So of course, because there was a bag involved, I did that one. Now, I don't know that I even want to say I want you guys to be my customers or any of that, because I really feel like I'm just going to do it as a hobbyist. If you guys need something, you can order from me, that's fine, but I don't know. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to handle it yet, but this is my starter kit. And so you could decide what you wanted from the catalog, which is everybody can, whoever signs up to be a demonstrator. So I guess if I have a ton of interest, I'm sure I could be talked into really participating and doing this thing again. But right now I'm kind of going, ooh, I'm getting my feet wet, or my toes wet, as they say. So they have changed a lot of things since I've been a demonstrator, but it was interesting because a lot of the same stamp sets are still available. So the boxing is different, or the packaging, because this is how they used to come, and this is what they look like now. So this set is actually still available, and it is the Wood Words, which is really cute, but it would come in a box like this now. They've also changed their ink. Some of the colors have changed, a lot of them have retired, and I am not going to go in and get all of the new colors and all of the new, because even the stamps themselves, not the stamps, but the ink pads themselves have changed. They no longer look like this. So I haven't even gotten a new one. I didn't even order a new one because I have enough ink still right now. So, you know, eventually if that happens, then that happens, but otherwise I am good with what I have. And, you know, I think that's a thing that a lot of people have to do is, and I know that a lot of people who make Stampin' Up! Their business, they feel like they need to get rid of all the retired stamps and bring in all the new stuff, and I totally get that, but I'm not there. This is not going to be my day job. If I do use it as like a part-time job, I still am going to have to use all of my other stuff too, because there's enough for everybody at the top. There are so many good things. So enough of that. But I'm just saying that if you guys are interested in ordering anything, or if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And if I can't answer them, I can send you an email to somebody who can. My upline is Brandy Cox. She seems amazing. I have been watching her for years. She's super sweet, super nice, seems to have really great morals and ethics. I don't know her from Adam, so I really can't say that just from the way that she sounds. Like, she seems like she's real. Like, I hope that's how you feel about me, because that's how I am, and that's how I want to present myself. What you see is what you get. And she seems very kind and very nice, and actually she's already sent me a package that arrived today too, so it was fabulous. I got a sweet card from her. Welcome to my team. And she seems in a handwritten note, which is awfully nice. And she sent me a bag that I didn't even know I was getting, but look at this thing. It is awesome. 30th anniversary Stampin' Up! It has flowers on it, and it's like a canvas bag that's just squishy and nice, and it has a really cute lining. So, I mean, and that was from her. And then she also sent me, she told me to pick one of the celebration that they do. It's over now, but when they do that, it ends on March 31st. When they do that, they you can pick an item for every $50 that you spend, and she told me to pick an item and she would send it to me, and she said that she's running low on some of them, so pick a first, second, and third choice. I got my first choice. It was crazy. So anyway, I got this stamp set. It's called P.S. You're the Best. Look how cute that is. I love the typewriter, and I love this too. Just silly. And I kind of think, nope, this one wasn't. I was thinking that this might be, I got a celebration item. So that, whatever the celebration item is, won't be available anymore, but this one is in the catalog, so that's cool. I got a Botanical Tags Thinlits, so this matches something. I need to see what it is. Sorry guys, I haven't, obviously, I haven't, you know, like, seen any of this stuff yet, and this is new to me too. I haven't ordered anything from Stampin' Up since I was a demonstrator before, so what does this look like? And this will match something. So this is the the dies. Look at that with the cute trees, and this like makes a half flower. Now they come on these papers, and they're like, it has really strong tape holding them on, but I like to take them off and mount them on a magnetic sheet, and then I just put them back in here, and it's nice like that. So this is a botanical, so this goes with the Botanical Bliss. So let me take it out and show you guys again. So these two go together, and you can buy them together or you can buy them separately, but if you buy them together you get a 10% discount. So that's pretty cool. I like to save money, so if every time I can do that, I will. And I do love their dies, and I love dies anyway, so I like to get them if they have them. And it looks like they even give you instructions for the Big Shot on how to use it, but I don't really need those. At least I don't think I need those. So here's the bag. Wow, very nice, very nice. This is huge. I got 2 bags today. Oh my goodness, look how nice this is. So it's like this, has feet, has a nice zipper on the back that goes all the way down to the bottom. Has a zipper in the front, has a pocket here and a pocket here, and same over on the side, 2 pockets there, and a zipper, I think I said that already, and a tag that says Stampin' Up, and then has this cute flower, which actually matches these flowers. Oh, that's exciting. And then inside it has a neat lining, and there's a pocket there, a pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. It has Velcro here and over here and down the middle. So those darker gray areas that you see are Velcro, and it's the soft-sided Velcro, so you can just leave it open like this and you won't have to worry. It also comes with a strap that you can hook onto the little D-rings. And what did I drop? Oh, I dropped the dies, but this is what I was looking for. So it has the bottom. This is a harder based bottom, and then it has separators. So these have Velcro on them, and you can stick these onto the Velcro and make pockets inside the bag as big or as small as you want. So I'm excited about that. And this is great if you're doing parties. You can carry the bag. That's what it's intended for. But yay, that will probably not be how I do it, because even if I do this a little more, I won't probably do parties, just because I'm not a party animal. Although I do love to craft with people, so who knows? Who knows what I'll do? The future is unknown. And this is the Stitched Labels Framelits, and I have a feeling, yes, it goes with something. So again, it comes with the instructions. And then this is double-sided, so it has this really cute dies. I think this is just like a border. And then it has these, which are awesome. And it goes with this, which is the Stitched All Around. This one says, enjoy your special day. This one says, oh darling, you are fabulous. lovely friend, darling, best wishes. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine, and thank you. So that is adorable. And again, that is available at a discount if you buy both of them together. There is like a bundle number, so don't just put them both in your cart. You have to put the bundle in your cart. Then I have some business supplies. You're invited, get creative and have some fun. I don't know that I will need these or use those, but they do give them to me. Oh, I got these tinted faceted buttons. And this is what they look like, if you can see that, hopefully. They are definitely shiny and sparkly, and they are just little buttons. And because I knit, I thought, ooh, those would be a good thing to have in my stash, even just for little sweaters or something, because I do make some baby stuff, just because I love it. I'm going to save this bag and reuse it. I don't know why I'm sharing that with you. But I also save these containers and use those too because they're fabulous for different things. All right. Oh, yes. I got, as I've said, I am a knitter, which is so funny to say. But they have this Big Shot embossing folder that is knitted. Or it's not knitted, but it has the knit. Hopefully you guys can tell. I mean, that's what this looks like. So I thought that was so cool, so cool, so cool. So I'm excited about that. Yay! And I got Love What You Do. And I love these kind of stamp sets that are just kind of simple with like a cool background and then a flower or whatever on it. I thought this was really sweet. And it says, "It's a beautiful day. Love what you do. Thank you. I am lucky to have a friend like you." And boy, am I lucky ever to have the friends that I have. I am so blessed. I just love my friends. It's so great to know that there are people on your side. Oh gosh, and I got Dandelion Wishes. Look at that one. Isn't that cool? I love that. And it says, "Sending well wishes your way. Wishes for a lifetime of love and happiness. And I made a wish and you came true." Oh, isn't that so cool? I thought that was really beautiful. I love this one. I love them all, but that one is so neat. So that's exciting. I also got a free kit. Open this box and see what's inside. So I will do that in a little minute. I'm trying to see what else is in here. So there's just more business materials. And I needed some red cardstock, so I got a pack of the real red cardstock. And it looks like the rest might just be business materials. So there's some business materials, some of the catalogs. Oh, it looks like I only have a catalog. Oops. Well, I told two of my friends that I'd give them catalogs, but I lied because I only have one. So I can give them one of these others. So there's these. There's a Stampin' Success catalog. They give you lots. This is the Occasions catalog. Stampin' Success, Make Something Amazing, and then some business supplies. And yeah, so let's open the paper pumpkin real quick and see what that is, so that you guys can see that too in case you're interested. And Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription that Stampin' Up! Offers. And honestly, I needed to recheck the price. I think it's $20 a month. It used to be. I don't know that it still is, but and they just automatically take it out of your account. And when you first sign up for Paper Pumpkin, you also get a block. So I don't know if I have the block in here or not, but I know that I have a block, so it's not a big deal. But sometimes, lots of times, they will come with a little ink spot. And this one is in the color Fresh Fig, which is really pretty, and I'm glad I got this because I don't have this color. And then there is a stamp set, and this is a little succulent in a teacup. And then there's little sayings, "Be kinder to yourself and let your kindness flood the world." and then it says "Are Beautiful," but there's a big U, so you could put "Are Beautiful," "Are Wonderful," "You're the reason I smiled today," "You can do incredible things," "Life is tough, but so are you." That's really cute. So that is neat. And then it comes with supplies to actually make whatever they have in mind for the month. And this one has all of those that you can make, and it has all of the supplies already cut and measured and all of that for you. Even includes glue dots, everything you need for the kit to make these. And it's awesome. I like to take these when I'm going on vacation or something, because then I know I have everything I need right here at the handy, and I can still craft while I'm busy doing other things. So that's really fun, and it's kind of cool that they give you one of those when you sign up, because I had kind of forgotten that. I didn't kind of forgotten that. I had forgotten that. And tells me to start my Stampin' Up journey, or my paper pumpkin journey. So yeah, and sometimes they offer things in here that they don't have in lots of times. It's always something they don't have in the catalog. Sometimes it's like a new technique or a project. It's not always a stamp set. It's not always cards. I think it often is, but it's not always. I know that one time there was a wreath. One time there were little like potion bottles or something like that. It's been a while, but neat stuff, and it's kind of fun. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know and I can hook you up for that. And yeah, so that's everything I got in my kit. I'm pretty excited to dig in. I think I'm going to make a card or two tonight, or maybe I'll make an MD card. And I am doing an MD card swap. If anybody here is interested, send me an email to TT.Scraps@sbcglobal.net. You make one MD card, send it to me for an entry. The more cards you make, the more entries you get, and I will pick winners to win 5 MD cards in exchange that I have made. So it's kind of a way to get everybody participating, and we can all be in a little swap together. So it's kind of fun, because I've had some people ask if they could swap with me, and it's really hard to do everybody all at once like that, but I think that this is a good way to kind of compromise, and I'll get to see your work and you'll get to have an opportunity or potential to win mine. So yes, yay. And that has to be postmarked by April 30th. So please get your entries in if you are interested. So send me an email. Again, that's TT.Scraps@sbcglobal.net. That information is below, along with my Stampin' Up website should be below if you guys are interested in purchasing anything. Again, I am brand new at this, well, kind of brand new the second time at this, but I am definitely a hobbyist right now. So, but I would love to, you know, help you out in any way that I can. And I love to stamp, and I love Stampin' Up, so I would be happy to and honored to be your demonstrator. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.